Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 435D M Sport Convertible. As you can see, the vehicle is presented in Alpine White. This car also has a huge amount of BMW extras alongside the full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. So at the front of the car you'll see the facelift LED headlights. Down the side we've opted to go for the 19-inch 704M BMW alloys. Situated just behind those, you'll see the wonderful M Sport Plus brakes, and on this 4 Series convertible, we've got the full M Sport Plus package as just one of the many extras. Down the side, we've got the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls, and YNC Mperformance decals. And of course, we've already got the roof down, so you can see that full coral red Dakota leather. Inside, we've got the convertible comfort package, which does mean you get heated seats, air collar system, and a heated M Sport steering wheel. Alongside the front seats also have got the electric movement and memory system as well. There is also the Harman Kardon surround sound as part of that M Plus package. The rear seat configuration is very similar to the coupe, so it is of course a nice fixed 2x2 arrangement with a central storage tray and armrest. However, behind the seats is a storage compartment for the wind deflector, which of course when situated behind the two front seats will eliminate some of the wind turbulence that can be experienced at higher speeds. And being that this is that wonderful 435D variant, that can certainly be achieved with ease. Again, showing you off these wonderful 19-inch alloys that are in near like new condition, really suit this car very well. They're in the original Bi-Orbit grey. Round at the back we've gone for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and a matching rear diffuser. X-Drive four-wheel drive of course, and the boot space often talked about on every hardtop convertible, and you'll think it's no different here. However, there's a very nifty button that allows you to lift your boot, the hardtop roof out of the boot space, and then you can gain access to the full luggage capacity, which for a convertible is by far one of the largest. Opening that up, there you can see that goes all the way to the back of the rear seats, making this a convertible you could certainly use every day. Closing that back down now, that'll fold everything nice and neatly away, and towards the end of the video I will of course pop the roof closed and show you what that looks like. And that's all now locked away nice and neatly. Round towards the driver's side again, you can see for yourselves that the Alpine White works extremely well with both the interior and the exterior colours on this car, making it the ideal convertible. Personally, in my opinion, the white and red combination is the best. Inside, we've got a wide array of other extras, including the digital cockpit option, which again gives a really nice feel to the interior. We do also get the professional widescreen navigation and media screen, and we'll go through everything on that shortly. So to get the roof closed, all we do is push this button forward. It's a really quick operation and can be done of speeds of 15 miles an hour. Whilst that closes, we'll go through a couple of other things. As you can see, currently we're just in comfort mode, so we're going to get a fairly normal looking display. Of course it is digital, so as you can see as I take the revs up, the numbers come alive. Nice little feature that is. We've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. There is also cruise and a speed limiter, as you can see there once the camera focuses in. Voice and volume controls as well, and now the roof movement is complete. I can show you a little bit more now I've got my other hand free. So you'll see for yourself that this car's only covered just over 8,000 miles, or just below 9,000 miles to be precise, as you can see there. So again, a really low mileage car. Putting it into sport will give me a different display there, get a large speedo, and everything then glows red. It's a really nice feeling and a nice look to the interior of the car. It's the same for Eco Pro, and again you'll see there the display does change. Back into comfort, and we'll now go through and show you more of this very nice large professional widescreen. So into my vehicle, starting that with there. Engine oil is not due for 16,000 miles, and there is full BMW service history with this car. That would have been its pre-delivery inspection and its first service. So not only is it high spec, it's been extremely well cared for. Connected Drive Plus gives you access to the online search, news and weather apps. We've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, and to ensure that your device stays charged, there is also a wireless charging dock underneath the armrest as well. Multimedia, you do of course get all the usual refinements: DAB, USB, AUX, Bluetooth audio, as well as online entertainment and music collection. There is always also the head-up display as well, which is going to display for you your current speed as well as the speed limit for the road you are on, as well as turn-by-turn directions should you have a sat-nav route set as well. So there is a look around this fantastically high-spec 435D M Sport Convertible. For more information on the car, simply follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. From there, head on over to the website and you can view all of the prices and funding options that are available. Thank you all so much. We do, of course, hope to see you soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.